Electric vehicles, EVs, have become one of the most significant innovations in modern transportation, fundamentally reshaping how people view mobility, sustainability, and efficiency. For decades, internal combustion engines dominated the automotive industry, but with the rising concerns about climate change and finite fossil fuel resources, the world has gradually shifted its focus to alternatives. EVs stand at the forefront of this transition, offering a cleaner and more technologically advanced solution. The journey to widespread adoption has been filled with challenges, yet the momentum continues to grow as governments, manufacturers, and consumers alike recognize their potential. One of the primary appeals of EVs lies in their environmental benefits. Traditional vehicles rely on gasoline or diesel, contributing significantly to greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. In contrast, EVs operate on electricity, which can be sourced from renewable energy, effectively reducing their carbon footprint. Countries worldwide have implemented stringent emission regulations and incentives to encourage the shift toward electric mobility. The adoption of EVs is not just about individual responsibility, it plays a crucial role in global efforts to combat climate change. Cities with high traffic congestion have started to notice improvements in air quality as more electric vehicles replace their fossil fuel-powered counterparts. Beyond environmental impact, EVs also bring technological advancements that enhance driving experience and efficiency. Unlike conventional cars, which rely on complex mechanical components prone to wear and tear, EVs operate on simpler electric motors that require significantly less maintenance. The absence of oil changes, spark plug replacements, and extensive engine repairs makes them financially attractive in the long run. Regenerative braking, a technology unique to EVs, allows them to recover energy while decelerating, improving overall efficiency. This innovative feature extends the vehicle's range while minimizing wasted energy, making the driving experience more seamless and intelligent. Battery technology plays a central role in the evolution of EVs. While early models faced significant limitations regarding range and charging speed, modern lithium-ion batteries have dramatically improved the viability of electric cars. Manufacturers are investing heavily in research and development to create batteries that offer higher energy density, faster charging times, and greater longevity. The race to perfect solid-state batteries, a promising breakthrough, is underway, potentially transforming the industry by eliminating some of the current limitations associated with lithium-ion technology. A more efficient battery infrastructure would address one of the biggest concerns, range anxiety, allowing drivers to travel longer distances without constantly worrying about recharging. Charging infrastructure is another critical aspect that influences the adoption of EVs. As governments and private entities expand charging networks, accessibility continues to improve. Initially, one of the biggest hurdles was the lack of widespread charging stations, leading to hesitance among potential buyers. Today, ultra-fast chargers capable of replenishing significant battery levels in minutes rather than hours are emerging, making EV ownership more convenient. Companies are also exploring wireless charging solutions, which could eventually allow vehicles to charge while parked or even while driving on specialized roads. These advancements indicate that the future of EVs is not only feasible but promising. Despite the evident benefits, electric vehicles still face some challenges that slow down mass adoption. One major issue is the initial purchase cost, which is often higher than traditional vehicles due to battery expenses. However, as production scales up and technology improves, prices are expected to become more competitive. Governments around the world are offering tax credits and subsidies to make EVs more affordable, further encouraging consumers to make the switch. Another concern is the availability of raw materials needed for battery production. Lithium, cobalt, and nickel are essential components, and securing sustainable sources for these materials remains an ongoing challenge. Recycling programs and alternative battery chemistries are being explored to address these concerns. Consumer perception and driving habits also play a role in EV adoption. Many people have grown accustomed to the convenience of refueling gasoline cars within minutes, whereas charging an EV typically takes longer. Although fast charging technology is improving, the psychological barrier of transitioning from refueling stations to charging stations still exists. Additionally, some regions with inadequate electrical infrastructure face difficulties in supporting widespread EV adoption. Rural areas, where charging stations are scarce, may not see immediate benefits from electric vehicles until infrastructure catches up with demand. Overcoming these obstacles requires a combination of technological advancements, policy support, and a shift in consumer mindset. Automakers are aggressively pushing forward with EV innovations, marking the beginning of an industry-wide transformation. Traditional car manufacturers, once hesitant about moving away from combustion engines, are now heavily investing in electric models to stay relevant in a competitive market. Companies like Tesla have set a high benchmark for performance and range, prompting legacy automakers to accelerate their EV programs. This wave of investment is not only reshaping personal transportation but also influencing sectors like commercial logistics, public transit, and ride-sharing services. Electric trucks and buses are increasingly becoming part of city fleets, reducing emissions and operational costs for municipalities. Another exciting development is the integration of autonomous driving technology with electric vehicles. As artificial intelligence and sensor systems continue to advance, self-driving electric cars may become a common sight on roads. This convergence of technologies presents a future where transportation is not only electric but also autonomous, reducing traffic congestion and improving overall efficiency. Smart grids and vehicle-to-grid technology may further enhance the synergy between EVs and sustainable energy. In this scenario, electric cars can serve as mobile energy storage units, feeding surplus electricity back into the grid when needed. As the demand for EVs increases, so does the need for responsible manufacturing and disposal practices. Sustainability remains a key focus as companies strive to develop ethical sourcing strategies for battery materials. Additionally, recycling programs for used batteries ensure minimal environmental impact once they reach the end of their life cycle. The transition to electric mobility should not come at the expense of ecological responsibility, making research into sustainable alternatives a priority for governments and corporations alike. The future of EVs looks promising as global efforts continue to push innovation and accessibility. As technology progresses, electric vehicles are expected to become more affordable, efficient, and widely available. Cities are investing in cleaner transportation solutions to meet ambitious climate goals, making EVs a central component of urban planning. While challenges remain, the momentum driving electric mobility suggests that it is not just a passing trend but rather a permanent shift in the way people perceive transportation. With ongoing improvements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and sustainability practices, electric vehicles stand poised to redefine mobility for generations to come. The road ahead may still have obstacles, but the destination, a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable future, is undoubtedly worth the journey.